arrange or organize PDF pages in PicoPDF. Go to the Pages tab and scroll to the page you want to move. Click the Reorder Pages button, then choose whether to move the page before the first page, after the last page, or after a specific page by entering its number. Alternatively, use the Page Manager thumbnail section to select the page by clicking on it, then drag it to your preferred location. Continue watching this tutorial for more details on how to arrange or reorder PDF pages with PicoPDF. To start, open your PDF file in PicoPDF and go to the Pages tab. Locate the page you want to move by scrolling through the document or entering the page number in the field at the bottom right of the application. Alternatively, you can use the Page Manager thumbnail panel on the side of the screen. Simply scroll through the thumbnails and click on the page you want to jump to. Once you're on the page you want to move, click the Reorder Pages button. You'll see several options. Move the current page before the first page, after the last page, or after a specific page. If you select Move Current Page After, a dialog box will appear where you can enter the page number you want the current page to follow. After entering the number, click Move Page to confirm. You can also reorder pages by simply dragging and dropping them within the Page Manager panel. If the Page Manager is closed, you can easily open it again by clicking the Reorder Pages button and selecting Choose a Page to Move. For more PicoPDF tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.